Go underneath the sink and take apart the P-trap and all the drain assembly and clean it out physically. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna put a bucket under there. You could use a vase, anything you can to catch water, because we're taking this apart and this P-trap here has water in it. So the next thing we're gonna do is take apart this nut and this nut. What that's gonna do is allow us to actually pull the P-trap apart. These two nuts tighten against the drain assembly and it holds everything together. So they'll be the first things we need to take apart. Put the pliers right on the nut and turn it to the left, counterclockwise. Now we wanna do the top nut and do the same thing. Once you've got it loose with your pliers, the next thing you're gonna do is just take the nuts off by hand, just like that, nice and easy. As you can see, we're already putting our bucket to use here.